Hi, it's Dr. Jeffrey Gerdes here, your Raleigh, North Carolina chiropractor, and we are here today with Raphael from Grande radio station, and we are going to do a chiropractic treatment. Raphael has a mild case of scoliosis, which is some abnormal curves in his spine, and today we're going to do an evaluation, examination, and a treatment to see if we can get Raphael feeling just a little bit better. So real fast here, let's just take a look at his neck. First, can you turn your head all the way right? And so a little restriction there all the way to the left. Okay, that looks pretty good. And we'll test laterally. Good. Any pain there? No, okay. And there. So his ranges of motion are okay, a little restricted when he goes to the left, to the right, a little restricted. What if you look up? And that looks okay too. So now we'll check his low back, lean all the way forward. We're just checking the muscles, the ranges of motion to make sure everything's normal. Come all the way back. Good. And you can feel just a little catching in the lower back here around the L1, L2 vertebrae. We'll check in rotation. Right. Good. Left, everything looks okay. The muscles are just a little tense down here at the bottom. Let's see, let's go face up here on the table.
Boca arriba.
Boca arriba, see? And scoot down just a little. So I'm going to go into the neck joints. And is it okay if we remove your glasses here? Is that okay? Mm-hmm. And we're just going to gently feel where the joints are restricted. A little bit right there at the top, C1, C2. And just relax, drop the head. Good. I'll do the same thing on the other side. And I can feel right here, right where the joint is restricted, C5, C6. I'm just going to have you relax, drop the shoulder. Good. Good. Raphael is working hard. He's at the radio all day. He's running around doing advertisements, and then talking on the radio. He's a pretty busy guy. Let's see. Let's cross both arms. Good.
Cruza los brazos.
Scoot down a little on the table. Why don't we come up to this side?
Ok. Cruza los brazos. Ajá. Ahora cruza los brazos y baja. Acuéstate.
Good. All the way back, relax, good. Very good, very good. And let's check his low back. Let's have you go face down.
Boca abajo.
So we're going to check his legs just to make sure everything in his pelvis is balanced. And let's come on over here. If you can see here, his left leg is a little bit shorter, actually significantly shorter on the left side. Good. We'll bring this leg up. Still shorter. So we're going to go into the pelvis on his left side and try to balance this out a little bit. Let's see. Can you lay here on your side? Face me de lado, por favor. Bring this leg up. Straighten the bottom leg. Good. Very good. Let's go on the other side. Bend this leg up. Straighten the bottom leg. Good. Okay, let's come over just a little bit towards it. Relax the shoulders back. Good. Feeling right here. There's some restriction in the lumbar joints, his pelvis on this side. We're just going to go in and do a chiropractic adjustment on it. Very good, very good. And let's check it. Let's go face down. now we have his leg check here, as you can see. Almost even, looks even there. All the way up. Even again, we balance everything out. Let's see, come on up. So there you have it, folks. How do you feel, Raphael?
Excellent. Great job.
It's a chiropractic adjustment on one of your local Raleigh's favorite radio stations, Grande. Thank you very much. Until next time, it's Dr. Jeffrey Gerdes, your Raleigh, North Carolina chiropractor.